Hi, this is Sanjay with ideas that help you be successful. And today I'm going to start with a story. The story is about a young man who was going from village to village looking for a job, and he encountered a timber camp. He went to the supervisor there and asked for a job. The supervisor looked at the young man, saw him fit and fine, and was pleased with the personality and gave him a job of being a woodcutter. Next day morning, the young man showed up early to the job, right on time, took a new axe and worked through the day to cut 6 huge trees. The supervisor was mighty impressed. Next day, spurred by the praise of the supervisor, the young man came even more early to work, worked with full zeal, full enthusiasm, but by the end of the day, he was able to fell only 5 trees. The story continued the next day, and the next day, his productivity fell even further, only 4 trees. 3 the next, 2. On the last day of the week, he was not able to fell a single tree despite working throughout the day, not taking any breaks, working with the full zeal, enthusiasm and passion. No trees, very dejected. And when he met the supervisor gave him the check for the week, his pay for the week, and said, thank you for working with us. We would have to let you go because you haven't felled any trees today. The young man was distraught. Looking at the sad face of the young man, the supervisor asked, what happened? When you started the work, you were great. You were producing great results. Your enthusiasm and passion was great. But over the last week, we can clearly see that your heart is not in it, and you've not been producing the kind of results that we expect you to produce. What happened? The young man said, no boss, I've been working in the same zeal, same enthusiasm, same passion. In fact, I come early to work very late till the evening. I don't take the breaks that others take. In fact, I've been not taking any breaks at all, and I've been working relentlessly through the day, but I don't know why my productivity is falling. Taking pity on the young man, the supervisor asked him a very important question. My friend, have you been sharpening your axe? Sharpening my axe? The young man replied. What is that for? I got a new axe and I've been working it relentlessly. Why should I even wait to sharpen the axe? Wouldn't it waste a lot of time? The supervisor smiled and said, if I was in your place, I would have spent 80% of my time sharpening the axe so that one shot and the tree would be cut into 2. Exactly like what happened on the first day of the job when the axe was really sharp. As you use your axe, the sharpness of the axe reduces, and you have to sharpen your axe to improve your productivity. Now my question today for you is, have you been sharpening your axe? Do you take any time off to reflect on how your day was? What could you do to make your day better? So the idea for today is, take 5 minutes every day, maybe at the end of the day, to evaluate your day, to look at what worked and what didn't. What could you have done better? What are you going to do tomorrow to make the day the most meaningful day of your life? Just imagine if you reflected on that for 5 minutes. How would your days go? What would your performance be? Wouldn't your axe be as sharp as the young man's axe on the first day? One shot and tree would get cut into 2 pieces. That's the idea for today. Signing off, this is Sanjay Wadhwa with ideas that help you be successful.